Okay, so we're flooded down here underneath the house because the power went out, and the sump pump that's over in that corner can't work when the power's out. So when we went to get in the car this morning, we had to take our shoes off and wait out there. Stairs are right behind me, right here. So going on a ride, and I'm getting from the steps on the bike so I don't get wet. Oh, this should work. Okay. Here we go. Let me get clipped in with one shoe. Yeah, this works. This works well. On our way.